AI is changing everything, but did you know it can make you $100 a day on Autopilot? What's up everyone, it's AI Pro Guide and we're talking AI, but not just the cool, futuristic stuff. This is about how AI can actually make you money, like $100 a day, without lifting a finger once it's all set up. We've all heard AI is changing everything, but the real game changer is how it can generate passive income. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing $100+ from AI doing all the work. Sounds insane, right? That's what we're diving into today. We're breaking down the best AI tools, the strategies to monetize them, and how to automate everything for true passive income. So, if you're ready to put AI to work and see those dollar signs rolling in, stick around. Alright, before we get into the money-making methods, we need the right tools for the job. Think of it like this. You wouldn't try to build a house with just a hammer, right? You need a whole toolkit. The first tool in our AI arsenal is one you've probably heard of, ChatGPT. This thing is a beast when it comes to generating content. We're talking blog posts, website copy, even scripts for YouTube videos, all on autopilot. Plus, it can handle those repetitive customer service responses so you don't have to. Next up, we've got Grok AI. This one's all about streamlining your business. It's like having a super efficient AI assistant that can handle customer interactions, manage appointments, and even analyze data to help you make smarter decisions. Think of it as your AI business partner. And finally, we've got Sora AI. Now this one's a game changer for anyone looking to create stunning video content without breaking a sweat. Sora AI can generate high-quality videos from text prompts, which means you can pump out tons of engaging content without ever having to pick up a camera. Now these are just a few examples, and new AI tools are popping up all the time. But the key takeaway here is that the right tools can automate almost every aspect of your business or side hustle. Okay, we've got our tools. Now let's talk strategy. There are a ton of ways to monetize AI, but I'm going to break down 3 of the most effective methods I've seen. Method number 1, AI-powered content creation. This is where ChatGPT really shines. You can use it to crank out blog posts, articles, even entire ebooks, all optimized for specific keywords and niches. And because it's AI, you can create content at a scale that would be impossible for a human. But it's not just about writing. Remember Sora AI? Use that to turn your AI-generated scripts into faceless YouTube videos. People are making serious cash with AI-generated content. And the best part is, once the content is created, it can generate passive income for months or even years to come. Method number 2, AI chatbot automation. Businesses are desperate for efficient customer service, and that's where AI chatbots come in. You can use tools like Grok AI to create custom chatbots that handle customer inquiries, book appointments, and even process orders. And the beauty of it is, you can sell these chatbots as a service to businesses for a recurring monthly fee. And finally, method number 3, AI digital products. Think about it. People are willing to pay for valuable information or tools that make their lives easier. You can use AI to create and sell digital products like templates, courses, or even entire businesses in a box. The possibilities are pretty much endless with AI. It's all about finding a need in the market and using AI to create a solution that people are willing to pay for. Here's the real magic of AI automation. Once you've set up your systems, AI can handle pretty much everything else, freeing up your time and energy to focus on other things. Let's say you're using AI to create YouTube videos. You can use AI scheduling tools to automatically upload your videos at optimal times, write descriptions and titles, and even respond to comments. It's like having a 24/7 video editor and social media manager working for you around the clock. And remember those AI chatbots we talked about? You can program them with pre-written responses to common questions, so they can provide instant support to customers without you having to lift a finger. And when it comes to digital products, AI can handle the entire sales process for you, from delivering the product to processing payments and even providing customer support. It's like having an entire sales team working for you 24/7. This is how people are generating that $100 a day and beyond passively. Because once the initial setup is done, the AI takes over, generating income while you sleep, while you're on vacation, while you're doing whatever it is you want to do. The future of work is here, and it's powered by AI. So there you have it, the blueprint for using AI to unlock a whole new level of income. We've covered the tools, the strategies, and the power of automation. Now it's your turn. Which AI tool are you most hyped to try out? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you're ready to dive even deeper into the world of AI and discover even more money-making strategies, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we've got a ton of game-changing content coming your way. Which AI tool do you think is the most powerful? Comment below. Watch my next video to see more AI money-making strategies.